Hello dear learners, today I welcome you all to the MCQs from Pharmaceutical Chemistry on the chapter Narcotic Analgesics. The first question from narcotic analgesic is, the narcotic analgesic containing piperidine ring is. Now you can see the structure. This is a narcotic analgesic which contains this pyridine is unsaturated form and piperidine is a saturated form. So this is piperidine ring. Whether this structure is of pethidine, indomethacin, ibuprofen or aspirin. Indomethacin, ibuprofen, aspirin are not narcotic analgesics. So the correct answer is it is pethidine. Next question is, the narcotic analgesics are derived from which of these? Since again the options are indomethacin, ibuprofen, aspirin, these are not at all narcotic. So the correct answer is it is derived from opium. Next question is, narcotic analgesics are dash. They are opium derivatives. Yes, opium derivatives. Second option, they are psychoactive agents. Yes, they are psychoactive agents. Then they treat acute and severe pain. Yes, they treat both acute as well as severe pain. So the correct answer is all of them. Narcotic analgesics are the opium derivatives of psychoactive agents having potent analgesic activity, which are used in treatment of acute as well as severe pain. Next question is, identify the structure. Now this structure again, this has been repeated, which contains piperidine ring. So earlier also we have seen that it is nothing but pethidine. So the correct answer is it is pethidine. Next question is, narcotic analgesics are, whether they are morphine, heroin, codeine or all of them. Now narcotic analgesics, you all might be aware nowadays that Narcotic Control Bureau is working on so many issues and Bollywood is again getting targeted. So these narcotic analgesics, common examples are this heroin, codeine, morphine. So all of these are narcotic analgesics. So narcotic analgesics, correct answer is it is all of them. It includes morphine also, heroin also, codeine also. Next question is, name the synthetic narcotic analgesic. Now as per the classification of narcotic analgesics are classified into basically four types: natural derivatives and semi-synthetic derivatives, synthetic agents, and again last class is narcotic antagonist. Now natural includes morphine and codeine. Then semi-synthetic includes heroin and brown sugar. And synthetic includes pethidine, methadone, etc. So the question asked is, name the synthetic narcotic analgesic. So the synthetic narcotic analgesic, correct answer is it is pethidine. Morphine, heroin, codeine are all natural forms which are derived from opium poppy. Next question is, name the narcotic antagonist. Now narcotic antagonist is the last class of narcotic analgesics which contains the narcotic antagonist such as nalorphine and naloxone. The options are heroin, codeine, pethidine. Now these all are synthetic, semi-synthetic and natural derivatives and semi-synthetic derivatives. So the correct answer is it is naloxone. It is a narcotic antagonist. So narcotic antagonist, as the name suggests, they are antagonist to narcotics. So they will reverse the effect of narcotics. That means opioids. Since narcotics are derived from opium poppy, so they are also known as opioids. So opioid, in case of opioid overdose, this narcotic antagonist can work best. What narcotic antagonist will do? Narcotic antagonists such as naloxone will bind to opioid receptors, where opioids bind, where narcotic drugs bind, and they will block the effect of opioid. That means antagonist will stop the effect of narcotic analgesics. So the correct answer is it is naloxone. Next question is, morphine is obtained from. Now morphine, again all of you know that it is a narcotic analgesic. So it is obtained from which of these species, whether it is Papaver omniferum, whether it is Papaver gonium, whether it is Papaver somniferum, or whether it is Papaver malaceae. The correct answer is it is Papaver somniferum. Next question is, which of these have euphoretic effect? Now euphoretic effect means it is the condition where the person is in the situation of intense happiness and self confidence. This effect occurs due to the use of narcotic analgesics. So which of these have euphoretic effect? Narcotic analgesics are now indomethacin, ibuprofen, aspirin are not narcotic analgesics. So the correct answer is it is pethidine, which is a narcotic analgesic, and this euphoretic effect is seen because of the addiction of these narcotic analgesics such as morphine. That means they are also known by the term drug dependence. What will happen? They will produce addiction, and addiction is due to this euphoretic effect. Means what? The person will get addicted to the use of these morphine kind of drugs, since they feel intensely happy and they feel very much self-confident. So because of which they will be dependent on the use of these narcotic analgesics. Next question is, dash is 10 times more potent than pethidine. Now pethidine, you all know that pethidine is a synthetic agent of narcotic analgesics. Now what is more potent than the pethidine also, than the synthetic derivative also? The option is indomethacin, ibuprofen, aspirin. All these three are not narcotic analgesics. So the correct answer is it is methadone. Now according to the classification, methadone also belongs to synthetic agents from the narcotic analgesics. Pethidine also belongs to synthetic agents from the narcotic analgesic. But what is the difference? Methadone is more potent than the pethidine. Next question is, repeated administration of these narcotic drugs develops, whether they develop dependence, whether they develop tolerance, whether they develop psychosis, whether they develop nervousness. So the correct answer is it is tolerance. Tolerance is the kind of situation wherein the repeated administration of morphine or narcotic analgesic will develop tolerance. Tolerance means it's just an ability to tolerate the things. If someone is telling you no, that is wrong, no, you should not do this, no, you should not do that, then also you will do that. That is a kind of developing tolerance. That means you can tolerate that lessons, so you can call, or you can tolerate that pravachans, you can call, or you can tolerate the things. Means this people's means majority of peoples will say that, or they will put their opinion that this is not the thing which one should do. But the person who is using this narcotic analgesics will be will have developed the tolerance to almost such kind of things. So the repeated administration generally develops tolerance. Next question is, morphine shows, whether it shows dependence, whether it shows tolerance, whether it shows both of them or none of them. The correct answer is it is both of them. Dependence is also developed due to use of narcotic analgesics. Because of the euphoretic effect, dependence will develop, and tolerance will also be developed due to the repeated administration of morphine. Now euphoretic effect will cause addiction, addiction will cause repeated administration. So these are the interlinked terms. The correct answer is both of them. Next question is, morphine is used in dash, whether it is used in chronic and severe pain. Yes, it is used in chronic and severe pain. It will produce sedation and sleep. Yes, it will produce sedation and sleep. Next option is it is also used as an pre-anesthetic medication in major surgeries. Yes, it is possible that it can be used as an pre-anesthetic medication in major surgeries. And the last option is all of them. So the correct answer is it is all of them. Morphine, since it's a narcotic analgesic, analgesia is to decrease the sensibility to pain. So they are used in both the kinds of pain, chronic as well as severe pain. They will produce sleep. They will at higher doses they will act as pre-anesthetic medication. So the answer is all of them. Next question is, Corex is the brand name of what? Whether it is of indomethacin, ibuprofen, aspirin or codeine. So all these three are not narcotic analgesics. So the correct answer is it is codeine. Corex, codeine. That's we finish with the few of the MCQs on narcotic analgesics. Thank you.